Hi YouTube family, this is Arlene coming to you with a small DIY. I was on YouTube and I was watching one of the subscribers that I'm subscribed to, and basically I'm coming to you with this contact paper. OMG. Yeah, I've been doing some DIYs today. This contact paper, she got it from Walmart. Her name is ChyMarie. It's something. I put a link down below of her channel. But I just want to come to show you what I done to mine. I asked her where she got it. She told me where she got it. Oh my God. Girlfriend, that was the best thing you could have put up. This contact paper right here. I love it. And guess what I did? I contact my whole nightstand except this right here. I got to fix this. But yes, this is what I done to my nightstand. Y'all know it was brown. I done painted it gray. I done painted it black. I done painted it white. Now, sister girl is in love. Okay? I'm in love. But anyway, the lamp, y'all already know I got that from Burlington. It was $39.99. And on my nightstand, I have a picture. The one in the green is my mom, her sister, and her brother. Yeah, I got to clean my nightstand up. Everything, I'm in the process of packing up, trying to move. I just want to come to y'all with this quick DIY. You know, I had already did the lamp, but that candle came from At Home department store. Bam, the nightstand. I mirrored out my nightstand, guys. I did it. And them knobs right there, I got them off Amazon. And I didn't know that my Lowe's did cut mirror. I really, truly, I didn't know it, because I asked them, did they cut glass? I didn't ask them if they cut mirror. I said, do y'all cut glass? She said, no, we don't cut glass. I'm walking around in Lowe's trying to find a piece of wood, and happened to run up on the mirror. I went back, I said, excuse me, do y'all cut mirror? She said, yeah, we cut mirror. She said, but we don't cut glass, ma'am. I said, I'm sorry. But I would like to have some mirror cut. And yes, that's what I done. And that diamond right there, I got it from Michael's. But I'm focusing on, right now, I want to focus on this contact paper. Got it from Walmart. It is so pretty and so glamorous. Yes. So pretty. So glamorous. Yes. And I got to put my other knob on there, which I got that from Amazon. I ordered from Amazon. I had them on there, and for some reason that slid, so I just popped it off. But yeah, I love it. And I've been to order those knobs, and guess what? The knobs go good with this right here. OMG. I love this contact paper. Thank you again, ChyMarie. Anyway, I'm gonna put her name down there. Y'all, please go by and check her channel out, because sister girl believe in her bling, and she got it going on. She really got it going on. Next, I'm gonna do this. She mirrored out, not a mirror, she, a ice bucket from Dollar Tree. Sure, I already went and got my ice bucket, because I'm finna do that. Oh, and I just took a mirror to put up there in the middle of it, to kind of cut that bling down. Yes. Love you, stay blessed, stay prayed up, and I will be back with some more something. Oh, yeah, look at that. I love that area. I love that area. Look at that picture. The picture frame is blinging too. Oh, I love it. See? to the sparkle. I love it. Anyway, y'all stay blessed, stay prayed up. Until the next time, love you. Bye-bye.